In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a video editing workflow in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and set up a dedicated home for your editing work. Create a new space and name it Video Editing. Or, place this inside an existing video production space if you already have one. Inside that space, add a folder called Editing Projects. This keeps everything grouped by project so you're never hunting for tasks across different areas. Within that folder, create a list for each video you're producing. Click to add a new list and name it after the project, like Video, How to Edit in ClickUp. Each list becomes the central hub for that video's editing tasks, discussions, and files, making it easy to see progress at a glance. Next, define your editing workflow stages. Open the list settings, go to Statuses, and add the stages your team needs. Footage received, rough cut, review, feedback, final cut, and ready for upload. These statuses are your assembly line. They make it crystal clear where a video stands and who needs to act next. Now build a reusable task template so every project follows the same playbook. Create a new task called Video Editing Template. Then add a checklist with the core steps. Import footage, rough cut complete, add transitions and effects, color correction and audio mixing, internal review completed, client or creator feedback received, and final export ready. Save this as a task template so every new video starts with the same structure and nothing falls through the cracks. By the way, if you need ClickUp, you'll find a link at the top of the description to download the app or access the web version. Assign your team members to the right parts of the process. Set owners for each stage, like editor, reviewer, or motion graphics designer. If multiple people handle different pieces, use subtasks to split responsibilities, and add due dates for each stage to keep momentum and accountability. Enhance visibility with custom fields. Add fields for video type, editing priority, and estimated duration. These fields make it easy to sort, filter, and prioritize across projects, especially when deadlines stack up. Use views to track progress in the way that suits your team. The board view gives you a Kanban-style flow from footage received to ready for upload. Timeline helps you schedule and spot overlaps. Table view lets you filter by editor, due date, or priority for quick coordination. From here, simply duplicate the video editing template task for each new video, update the title, due dates and assignees, and move tasks through the stages as editing progresses. Thanks for watching.